No, don't touch the button.
Okay. What's up, guys? Today, we're going to be launching rockets. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. So today, I'm going to launch some rockets. And so, we're also going to, whenever it lands, we're going to stop it. So, I hope you smash the subscribe button, and if you do, you're going to get more content.
Okay.
So we're going to start it. So I'm going to put on the camera on the rocket.
Yeah. Thanks, Ollie.
Okay, guys, it's going to take a minute, and then we're going to lift up. So, good job.
Okay, ready for countdown.
Okay. Where's the key? Put on mine.
Wait.
Okay, so we're going to launch it off. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Bring in the key. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's going to explode. I don't know.
It's not going to explode, guys. You got it?
Okay, so I hope you guys liked that launch test. Wasn't that much long. Hey guys, do you like the rocket?
Yeah. I've been watching you launch off and thought it was really cool.
Oh, thank you.
Make sure you see the new video of it. We're making a video of it. Okay? Okay, so we're going to stop it. Okay?
Yeah, this parachute's just not working, is it?
No.
Oh, actually, it didn't even come out of the tube this time.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the other rocket's better, so you want to do
Sorry.
one more launch?
But the parachute didn't come out, so it was a fail. I hope you had an amazing day. Bye. So we're going to put this away, and we have another rocket here. We're going to get it set up, and so yeah, we're going to set that rocket up, but we won't have the video for that because we got a camera for that one. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.
Okay.